Join me to create a vibrant watercolor painting of a fried egg, perfect for beginners. Using ultramarine, I paint the areas around the fried egg. We didn't sketch anything beforehand, it's all based on imagination. As I paint the background, the outline of the fried egg begins to emerge. There is no need to draw a perfect circle for the fried egg, so no preliminary sketches required for this painting. Next, I mix ultramarine with burnt umber to create a gray shade for painting the shadow of the fried egg. I apply this shadow while the base layer painted with ultramarine is still wet. This ensures that the shadow blends seamlessly with the background. After that, I tilt the board to gather any excess watercolor pigment. I use a clean damp brush to absorb the excess watercolor pigment that gets collected at the edges. Next, we will paint the yolk with cadmium yellow. Start by creating the round shape of the yolk, leaving the highlight on the left side as the white of the paper. Fill in the rest of the circle with cadmium yellow. While this cadmium yellow is still wet, mix cadmium red with cadmium yellow on your palette to get an orange shade and use that to paint the right side of the yolk. Next, I'm painting the white part of the fried egg. I use the mix of ultramarine and burnt umber which is already present on my palette. Using this mix, I create a subtle shade that could be a shadow from the light source or a reflection from the pan on which the fried egg is placed. I'm not sure about that, but you can see the reference picture. From that, you can observe there is a subtle shade on the white of the fried egg. As we apply the light shade to the white of the fried egg, make sure there are no hard edges. Using a damp brush, make sweeping strokes to blend the light shade smoothly into the white of the paper. Using yellow ochre, I paint the edges of the yolk on the fried egg. Next, we have to paint the bubbles that are formed while cooking the fried egg. Using a light value of the mix of ultramarine and burnt umber, which is already present on the palette, I paint those bubbles. At the final stage, I splattered some grey using a mix of ultramarine and burnt umber. Also, I painted the darkest part of the shadow of fried egg using the same mix. We reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.